Okay, talk to me about it.
I feel that I would be such a good alcoholic because when I'm sober, like, I'm just shy and awkward, but when I'm drunk, I'm like, what's up, girl? And girls like that, because girls like
That was a
skanks.
pelvic thrust.
Girls like skanks. But when you're being all nice to a girl and you're like, hey, let me buy you flowers and let me tell you that you look pretty today, it doesn't work. You gotta be an asshole. See, like this, it's a role play. Like, I'll be like, oh, hey, girl, you look nice today. And then what are you gonna do? Oh, don't even want to talk to you.
I don't even know you.
Yeah, see, but then I'm like, hey, girl, let me tap that ass. See? Do you see what happens?
I'll say.
All day long. It's ridiculous.
Fuck bitches, get money. Fuck bitches, get money.
Because we got right.
That was so Raven.
Oh my god.